Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a quick and easy recipe for filet mignon. Here I have my 2 filet mignon and I already went ahead and washed them and pat them dry. And I'll be using some Longhorn Steakhouse grill seasoning for these steaks today. We're going to keep it super simple. I've tried many steak recipes and I find that keeping it simple is best. Now this is just a mixture of black pepper, salt, garlic and onion powder, paprika and a little bit of cumin. So if you can't find this seasoning and you have those ingredients in your kitchen, you can quickly just mix it up or just use salt and black pepper. That's it. Now let's get started with the recipe. So let's just start by generously coating our steaks with the seasoning. You want to be generous because these steaks are a little thick in size and you want that seasoning to penetrate. So you want to season them really well. We are going to season them on both sides and then we will season them on, the edges. We'll add some seasoning to the board and then we will, roll the steaks around all the way around until the edges are well seasoned. Now I'm not in a hurry to cook this, so I will let this rest for about an hour or so. But if you're in a hurry, you can go ahead and let it sit for just 20 minutes and then you can cook them up. In my opinion, I know some people say that it doesn't matter, but letting your meat, any meat, seafood, steak, anything rest for a while, it plays a huge difference in the taste and how it turns out. Trust me, that seasoning gets down in there once it sits for a while. So I'm going to let these rest and then I'll show you guys what's next. In a preheated skillet, I did add some oil in here. I'm using flaxseed oil. It has a high smoke point. You don't want to use olive oil here because it burns super fast. We will place the steak in here and allow them to cook for a total of 10 minutes. We will cook them for 4 minutes on each side and then we'll use the extra 2 minutes to cook the edges of the steak, like the sides of the steak. And we'll add some butter and allow that butter to melt for the additional minute. Now I like my steaks to cook medium. That's why I'm cooking it for about 10 minutes. But if you like your steaks well done, you can do 12 to 14 minutes. And at this point, I do have my heat on medium because I don't want the steaks to burn. Once you are cooking it for that long period of time, you need to keep the heat on a moderate level. You don't want this to be high because the steaks will burn. And as you see here, I'm struggling while flipping the steaks, trying to cook them on the sides because you want to get that good sear on all sides of this steak. And this method too will help to cook your steak all the way through without burning it up too much. We will, give the steaks a bit more cooking by turning it on the sides like so. And then we will add our garlic butter. Here I'll place some garlic butter onto my steaks. I'm using a scoop to do so. I'm placing 1 scoop each on both. And then I will sit the lid on and allow the butter to melt a little. We don't want it melted all the way, just a little bit. And then we'll remove our steaks and allow them to rest. And as you can see, all those juices are just redistributing back into that steak. So you want to let it rest before you cut into them. You never want to cut into your steaks right away. And here you have it, guys, my version of a super delicious, moist and tender filet mignon. I did pair it up with some shrimp, mashed potatoes and some green beans, but I could not go without showing you guys how perfectly cooked this steak is. This is the way I like my steak and it is just perfection. It was super tender, moist, and the flavor was all the way through that steak. Trust me, it had the taste and flavor all the way through, and it was absolutely delicious. I do hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!